In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and reuse a typist text component with paste to replace. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple typing style text element, turn it into a reusable component, and quickly swap it into your designs without rebuilding anything. Start by clicking the action icon to open your command or quick actions panel. From here, go to the search field. This is the fastest way to find tools, plugins, or components without hunting through menus. In the search bar, type typist. When you see the typist option appear, click on it to load the tool. You'll notice there are three configuration choices: letter, word, or multiple words. These control how the effect progresses through your text. Letter animates character by character, word steps through one word at a time, and multiple words is great for rotating phrases. For this example, select letter so we get a smooth character by character reveal. With that selected, click on Create Component. Turning this into a component now makes it easy to reuse, update, and maintain consistency. If you tweak the master component later, all instances can inherit those improvements, saving you a ton of time. Next, copy it. This puts your new typist component on the clipboard, ready to be inserted or swapped into other places. Copying here is important because we're about to replace existing elements without manually reapplying settings. After that, duplicate this page. Working on a duplicate lets you experiment safely while keeping the original intact. It's a simple way to test your replacements and confirm everything looks right before committing. On the duplicated page, click on Search again. Use it to find the text layer or instances you want to replace with your typist component. This helps you quickly target the exact elements, especially in larger files. When you've selected the element you want to swap, right-click and choose Paste to Replace. This command replaces the selected object with whatever you copied, in this case your typist component, while keeping the position and layout context. If you don't see Paste to Replace, make sure the component is still on your clipboard and the correct layer is selected. That's it. You've created a typist effect, packaged it as a component, and used Paste to Replace to roll it out efficiently. Pro tip: consider setting component properties later for variants like word or multiple words, so switching styles stays effortless. And always test on a duplicate page first